You can't bring that inside, Trey. Wait. No, you can't bring that inside. Trey, you can't bring that thing inside. No. That cannot come inside. No. That cannot come inside. That is really nasty. Yeah, Trey, you kill the bird. That's really awesome. I wish I saw it. You kill it. That absolutely cannot come inside. You got tons of grass in your mouth, too. Is that still... Oh, good. Where did you kill it? That's awesome, Trey. Wait, Trey. No, you can't bring that inside. No, there's no... I mean, I'd let you, but I don't think Mom would want you to. Look at all the feathers you have on the ground from it. What's that water from? The bird? Where did you find it? Is that... Oh man, that's awesome. That is awesome. Where did you kill it? You could have just had it. You hadn't dropped it since you came here because the stick's in the way. So you still had grass in your mouth from when you grabbed it. Man, how come you didn't come get me? I would want to film you kill a thing. Butthole. Junior's jealous that he didn't get it. Trying to bring it inside. I better not get a disease by standing next to this dead body. Got a lot of feathers in it. Yeah, you're a good kitty. Yeah. Good kitty. Where'd you kill it? Well, I guess it was a pretty clean kill. Oh. Am I even recording still?